In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 Kirkland Christmas dupes, and these are super easy. Yeah, so don't go anywhere, keep on watching. Hey friends, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. For this DIY, you need a wreath form and ribbon. I get my ribbon at Hobby Lobby. It was 90% off, but you can find these at Dollar Tree. First, I hot glue the ribbon on the wreath form and then wrap it like this. Then I cut the ribbon on this part. I did not wrap the whole wreath form because we will put some greenery and we will use zip ties. And here we have this greenery from Dollar Tree. You can just use this greenery and put some bow. You are done with this DIY. But this video, it's a challenge where you will copy one of the Kirkland product. It's a Kirkland Dupes and we're gonna copy it. So I need to put more greeneries. I have some greeneries in my stash, so I will add those. Then I'm just going to fast forward the video so that you are not going to watch a long video while I'm putting all the greeneries. Then I have these berries that I've got from Dollar Tree. I will add it. And we will be making a bow. I think this video it's not the best bow tutorial so I'm just going to put a link on the description box below where I explain how I made this kind of bow. Then just hot glue the bow and you're done with this DIY. This is the inspiration. It was $75 and we only made ours for only less than $10. So what do you think? And guys, this video, it's a collab with my friend Julia. We are making Kirkland Christmas dupes. And don't forget to visit her channel because you're gonna love her. She have a lot of DIY. She's making a lot of DIY. She's very talented and very hardworking. So show her some love. Tell her I sent you. And also if you are coming from Julia, hi, welcome to the hearts. Let's proceed to the next DIY. For this DIY, you need any board. I'm using the board that I have on hand and I just spray painted with the white gloss Rust-Oleum. And once it is dry, I just went back inside and then I marked 2.5 inch on the board and draw 2 lines using the X-Acto knife. You can skip this part if you don't like the line, but in our inspiration, it needs to have lines. That's why we are copying it. And it looks like this. And then after that, I printed this Believe letterings using my regular printer and cut it into size. And you also need carbon paper. I got my carbon paper on Amazon. I will put the link on the description box below. And then I lay out the letters on the board like this. And also you need to put some tape so that it will not gonna move. And then I just trace the letter B on the board. Also, this project is very easy. I thought it will take me a while, but I figure it out how to do it. So I will show you how. And then here I'm just tracing it. Honestly, the letter B is the hardest letters on this project because most of the project most of the letters are straight, like E, L, I, V. Those are straight lines, so it's very easy. Just the letter B, and then just lay out all the letters so that the spacing is perfect. And this is how it looks like. It took me 5 to 10 minutes to trace all the letterings. And then I will use this acrylic pens. I thought it's the easiest way to do this, but no, it was a bit hard. So I tried the acrylic pens, but it didn't work well for me. So I grabbed my Crimson by Waverly and I used that. And here I am painting the letter, and this will take me hours and hours, but I realized there's an easiest way how to do this. So don't go to this route. And also, if you have a Cricut machine, you can also skip this part. But if you don't, here I will show you a nice technique. I actually realized this technique when I'm on letter V, and yeah, it's better than never. So here I just use the painter's tape and just tape it on the side like this. It's like you have your stencil, and this will only take you 2 to 3 minutes as long as you use hair dryer to dry the paint. Then once it is dry, just remove the painter's tape, and there's still bleeding on the letterings, but I will show you how to clean up those bleeding later on. And just here I'm just showing you the letter B. I just put the painter's tape around the letter and paint it again like this. It's super easy. You don't need to worry about the paint going out the line. And this is how you clean up the bleeding or the excess paint on the side. Just put the paint, lay out the paint, and then paint it with your linen white chalk paint. And this is how it looks like. It's very clean. You can still tell that it's a handmade, but yeah, I'm really happy of how it turned out. And here I'm just putting the painter's tape on the side, and we will be painting it with my Waverly by or Crimson by Waverly, and I will do the same thing on the other side. I will be putting this outside, so I will seal it with my clear gloss by Rust-Oleum. And I have these hooks that I removed from Dollar Tree signs, and I will be using that at the back of my board so that we can hang it. And this is how it turned out. Kirkland is asking $42, but I only spend maybe less than $5, or I have everything, so it's free for me. So yeah, so what do you think? Ta-da! You can put it by the fireplace or outside. This next DIY is super easy. You just need a wreath. I got mine from Walmart for only $9 last year. And I will just be putting a fake snow using my white, linen white chalk paint. And I just painted it like this. Then just let it dry, and once I'm happy of how it looks, I just grab some these red berries that I have in my stash and zip tie it on the wreath. This is actually for my neighbor, and I'm so excited to give it to her. She called me one night and she was telling me that she wants to decorate her house, but she is so old to bring out her decor. She's already 94. And here we have this silver ornament that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue it. This is actually done. And we're done with the third DIY. It only cost us $12 to $15, and Kirkland is asking $67. Yeah, so bye bye guys. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project, and don't forget to visit Julia. See you next year guys. Happy holidays. God bless and be safe. Bye bye.